Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Today we are going to be installing some springs on an S2000. I think it's a 2003. Oh no, it's on some OGTEs though. Those things are nice. Once I start installing the springs, this thing should be a little lower. Should be sweet. So for the S2000 today, we got Skunk 2 springs. The only crappy part is they don't tell me which one is the front or the rear, but I'm sure I'll be able to figure it out. So, 9 coils in the front, 8 coils in the rear. I was reading up on S2KI, and they say a lot of people put the 8 in the front to get the front a little lower, but with the spring rates for both, I think this one is 380. This one is somewhere around mid 200s. If you put these in the rear, that rear will end up just wanting to kick out the whole entire time because of how stiff it is. So now you know, 9 coil front, 8 coil rear. Perfect. Alright, now I gotta remove the 17mm bolt from the upper control arm. There's 2 of them. And then I can get that strut out. Hopefully my video doesn't turn off again. Sorry for the fan noise. Alright, so I just got both the fronts out. It's pretty easy. I didn't know we had to remove the upper control arm. So I was sitting there staring at it for a while. But now onto the rears. Rear should be way easier since you don't have to remove anything else but the shock. Well, the bolts attached to the shock. And all this random crap. This spare tire is useless and it's in the dumbest spot. If you got an S2000, just remove the spare tire in general. You ain't ever gonna be using it. Most likely you have aftermarket wheels on anyway, so this is useless. The only hard one to get to is going to be that one. Can't even tell, but I'm guessing this is where the fuel lines are. But yeah, if you could see, like, there's no room. But this side's easy. All right, time to work on the rears. All right, so I got these springs on finally. He helped me put them on. What's up, Wargeki?
What's happening, boy?
All right, I think it's Pathfinder. And then these are the fronts right here. I already got one front on. Sorry I didn't show you guys, but that thing was a pain in the butt. But I'm about to put this one on. Probably make a time lapse for you. Alright, fronts are in. Oh shoot, I can't even film correctly right now. I think it's dirty. Alright, that's a little better. Yep, fronts are done. Time for the rears. Alright guys, well I kind of forgot to record, but there's a finished product. We got the springs on. It lowered it about an inch compared to before, but this thing looks sweet now. Probably gonna go to the gas station and get some B-roll shots because the lighting inside my garage just ain't cutting it. Alright, catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I've already put the springs on. I probably said that in my other clips, I don't remember, but it's rubbing on the rear. I already pushed out that quarter panel, so I'm just gonna go ahead and roll Josh's fenders for him, so then we can fit that humongous tire in there. I can't talk right now. I'm tired. All my words are slurring. It sounds like I'm drunk. But yeah. I'm gonna finish up these fenders and then I'll show you the results. That's how they look right now. Alright, so I just finished this side. It looks a little better from before. Just a little better. And we didn't get a dent right there. We good. Thanks to my handy dandy tool. Yeah. All right, guys. So the S2000 is now lowered on springs. It's a little lower. Still a little bit of wheel gap, but not much. It looks good though, especially sitting on those TEs. Ciao. Yeah, it looks good. Alright guys, well, that was all for today's video. We got the S2000 springs installed. I'm sorry I didn't record most of it. Recorded some of it though. Still good, right? I also rolled the rear fenders because it was rubbing a lot when I took it out for a test drive. But the car's sitting nice now, and I'm sure Josh is gonna be pretty happy about it when he comes and picks it up. Alright, peace. Wait. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There we go. I finally got it right. Alright, later.